Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Phantom price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with a Phantom on the daily chart, we can see we already have an A, B, and a C formation where you are looking for a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1 or your wave A, which is much more potential for now, and having of course a wave C towards the upside. In case we reach over then 1-to-1 fib level taken from this low to this high, and then of course the base point of the B, if we get higher prices, then definitely we are in a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to reach higher prices. However, for now, we stick with the wave A for more realistic prices, of course, and we are looking, of course, after this wave A for an A, B, and a C, potentially finished here, and then we are looking, of course, for higher prices. Now, if we take this price here as an A, B, C as a finished price, we cannot really count here 1, 2 because we took almost the low, and then we are looking here as well possibly for 3 waves towards the upside, and then of course an impulse towards the downside. Therefore your wave C or B has ended here in A, B, and C, right? So therefore, of course, we have to count starting from here for our impulse where we are potentially looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. This is, of course, your bullish scenario if you are looking for higher prices. Your bearish scenario is still a longer correction wave, because looking at this wave C is a very short in time, and also comparing with the wave A here taken, of course, as A, B, and a C. Now it looks like 5 waves toward the downside finished truncated even. However, it might be still unfolding. It could be rather than your truncated wave C here finished, it could be your wave 1 of a 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a bigger wave C towards the downside. And after this, you are, of course, looking again towards the upside. So definitely, anyway, we are looking for higher prices because definitely this is a structure where you are looking for a wave C towards the up or a wave 3 towards the up in both case scenarios. However, when? It could be, of course, after finishing possibly this wave C for with it, of course, much more logic and much more related to an A, B, and a C. It could be much more healthier even for a nicer move towards the upside. Now, if you look inside this wave to see which scenario is much more potential based on the 1 hour chart, we are looking here at an impulse, of course, after this impulse towards the downside that we call it a short wave C before on the daily. Now, if we take this impulse here, we are looking, of course, for a 1, 2, 3, and then 4 as an expanding flat, and we are looking to finish it with an ending diagonal towards the upside. So potentially, I think no needs for this fib. Potentially, we have finished, of course, the 5 waves, which it has ended, of course, shorter than expected, right? And we did not took the high yet. So, yeah, as you can see, if this is your wave 1, then you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you didn't took the high. Therefore, I prefer to count this as an A, B, and a C, wave C finishing as a big ending diagonal. And this is your bearish scenario again, which looks much more possible, guys, because even if we get higher, you cannot take the low yet. Unless if you are in 1, 2, 1, 2. However, this doesn't look impulsive, it looks just zigzags, right? Your waves here looks a zigzag, and then another zigzag, another one for the 3 as well here, and potentially we have finished even topped here with a zigzag then. Yeah, so I prefer to remove the counts and even put the wave 5, which is here. Now we took the same price. Let's check which one was higher. yeah, this one I think exactly. If yeah, very logical. So as you can see, the price is did not take the high. However, it is preferably to take the high again, because this is the 886 that has been touched, of course, and then we might take the high again in A, B here. Sorry, A for 3 waves down, 3 waves for a B, and of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if that is your A, B, and a C, yeah, even we didn't take it the high. We didn't take the high with an expanding flat as well. Yeah, so of course now we're gonna see it's not necessarily to take it high. I mean, maybe on this chart only looks like yeah, maybe other charts took the high. Nobody knows. So if we look now, we have 5 waves down, A, B, and a C, finished, of course, in a diagonal, possibly. By the way, if we take here as a diagonal, sorry, I just realized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, your wave 5 is not finished yet. Yeah, perfect. Your wave 5 is not finished yet, of course, for this diagonal, so it's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we're gonna take the high again. It's necessarily, I mean, this is yeah, always we have to take it. So A, B, and a C, right? And then you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I suggest, guys, that yes, we are looking for a very high potential bearish scenario, where we are going to see a continuation with another diagonal towards the downside, which is an ending diagonal here. And we are looking for an impulse, by the way, because this is an impulse. What you are looking at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your 4 did not take the 1 zone, so it's considered as an impulse. So definitely you are looking for an impulse between today and tomorrow, guys. Possibly, of course, because we are on the daily, by the way. So we might see a little bit one more high, taking the high, and then yeah, move a little bit towards the downside. Your fib levels, of course, for a wave C. Let's take a look here on the daily. Was it given? Okay, what is that? I don't need this. All right, so exactly. So if we are looking for a diagonal, in this case scenario, or an impulse, it depends. So preferably to take our fib levels, by the way, from the wave A to the wave B here, and we might hit, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level for a zigzag. Let's put this here. Oh, okay, it should be yeah, with fib. Okay, that's it. 1-to-1 to take, of course, this price for a wave C. So, of course, we're gonna take a look how this is gonna unfold. So I prefer now to put this C, and we'll check later how it's gonna finish. So your wave B might finish as well here, and your wave 2, in case we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a B, and a C. I'm gonna keep it for now, so next time when I visit FANTOM again, we'll see if that has been unfolded. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments. See you in